Hello, Jumpstarters. Welcome to your 30-day Jumpstart Challenge. My name is Dr. Ashby. I'll be your host and coach, and I'm excited to have you join us for this life-transforming journey. The 30-day Jumpstart is a challenge, but you have a coach, so you can do it. It is brought to you by Conscious Health, which is a space I created to focus on the healthy habits that lead to health and that keep us healthy. Also brought to you by TLS Weight Loss Solutions. It is the transitions lifestyle system that you will love. So the Jumpstart Challenge is meant to support you in the very informative and transformative coaching environment. You will develop new lifestyle habits. They may start small, but they pack a punch and they can last a long time. These habits help to promote health, vitality, wellness, and even fitness. Losing weight and improving body composition are just byproducts of these habits. Increased energy will be stable without crashes. So if you're ready, we'll get started. I am your coach. I'm a professional bodybuilder. I started my own lifestyle journey over 10 years ago after my second child. And I've been a healthcare professional for over 26 years, starting as a registered nurse back in 1996. I've been a medical doctor since 2005 and recently focusing on lifestyle medicine as a way to use just nutrition in our lifestyle to prevent these chronic conditions that are preventable. As we learn together, the information shared here will be educational. It is not meant to replace or substitute the professional advice of a medical doctor or a medical professional. You should still consult with your own physician as you have questions or concerns that arise. Without further ado, if you are ready, we're going to get started. And I am so happy to be your coach on this journey.